He is a big boy. Oh my goodness. Are you going to make it? Be careful, sir. I don't want to have to give you first aid. Oh my god.
Just one time, because Daddy definitely would not like that.
You are such a big boy. What? What? Look at you.
Okay, do you want to come down now? You need help.
You need to. Whoa. Hey. Oh.
You're gonna want Do you want to watch that? Excuse me. Sir? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Edgar.
Who's that? Edgar?
No, it's a truck.
Oh, okay.
That's a truck, Julian.
I'm going to turn this off now. You want to say goodbye?
No.
Say goodbye.
To all your fans, to all your friends.